As an org admin, you can lock or remove a user from your SciNote account by clicking into the settings in the upper right-hand corner. From the gear icon, click the Members tab, where you'll see all of the active and locked users for your account. For easier filtering, use the bar on the right-hand side to search for the user you need to lock using their name or email address. You'll see for now their status is active, and in order to lock their account, click the three dots on the right and click Lock Account. Their status will change to locked, and the user will no longer be able to access your SciNote instance. However, all of their data and information, activities previously from in the system will be maintained within the audit trail and activities log. When you lock a user seat in SciNote, that user seat is then free to use with someone else at your company. In order to invite a new user to SciNote, click the blue Invite Members button at the top of the page, enter their email address, and select one or more teams to invite them to within your SciNote account, in addition to the role that they should have on those SciNote teams.